You're not unmotivated. You're just addicted to comfort. And as long as you let that control you, you'll stay exactly where you are, stuck, frustrated, watching other people get ahead while you make excuses. Motivation is a lie. You think you need to feel inspired before you start. You think you need that rush of energy, that perfect moment when everything finally clicks. But that moment isn't coming. And if you keep waiting for it, you'll waste your life sitting on the sidelines. I know because I did the same thing for way too long. And the day I finally figured out how motivation actually works, everything changed. Let me tell you how. Motivation is not the cause of action. It's the result of action. You don't feel motivated at first and then start moving. You start moving and then motivation follows. And once I understood that, everything changed because I stopped waiting to feel like doing something. I stopped relying on motivation to get me started. Instead, I made a decision. I would take action no matter how I felt. And you know what happened? Motivation started chasing me. That's the secret. People who are motivated come and go, but the ones who keep going, the ones who stay consistent, they have something deeper driving them. They don't rely on excitement. They rely on identity. They know their why. I want you to think about this. Are you the type of person who only works when they feel like it? Or are you the type of person who does what needs to be done, no matter what? Because that's the difference between people who succeed and people who don't. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They create it, and they do it by moving. Because small things become big things. That first step leads to the second leads to the third, and before you know it, you're in motion. And motion creates motivation. I wish someone had told me this earlier, because I wasted years thinking I needed to feel ready before I could start. But the truth is, you will never feel ready. So instead of asking, how do I get motivated? Ask yourself this instead. What pain do you want in your life? Because everything you want, it comes with pain. You want success? You have to endure the pain of discipline. You want to be in shape? You have to endure the pain of training. You want freedom? You have to endure the pain of hard work. There's no way around it. So the real question is, which pain are you willing to suffer for? Because the people who win, they choose their pain. They don't wait for things to feel easy. They don't sit around waiting for motivation. They just start, even when it sucks, even when they don't feel like it, even when their brain is screaming at them to stop. And eventually, they become the kind of person who doesn't need motivation anymore because they have an identity. They don't work because they feel like it. They work because it's who they are. And if you want to change your life, you need to decide right now, who do you want to be? Because once you start moving, once you commit to action, even when you don't feel like it, you will never have to rely on motivation again. My friend, if you're ready to take this even further, this video here will give you more food for thought. And let me tell you, once you stop waiting for motivation, you become unstoppable. And I'll help you do exactly that.